Hello everyone, in this video we're going to continue on with modifying the level line which is named here level 2. Now again, just to start where we left in the previous video. So the difference here is that level 2 does not appear under the floor plans. And if you look at the color, it's black compared to the lower roof and ground floor, which are blue. So it means that these two are active, but the black one is not active. So we're going to update it accordingly. So first of all, we're going to change the level name. So level 2 is going to be, level 2 is going to be the above roof. All right, so we change it. That's fine, but there are no changes to the color, and it does not appear under floor plans. So to make it appear under floor plans, we need to go to View tab. All right, so we go to View tab, we go to Plan Views. Right, once we are in Plan Views, we look for Floor Plan, and the new floor plan dialog box is going to appear, under which you're going to see above roof as the only new floor plan. All right, so you click on it and you press OK, and you're going to see a new tab called above roof that appears, and in the floor plan above roof is now visible. All right, so if I go to my east elevation, you're going to observe that the above roof is now live. That is, it is now blue in color. All right, now one or two things. If I want now to change the level, all right, let's say I want to change the 3000 to 2900. I just click on the number and change it. But you will observe that since all of them are locked, if I change this lower value, this is going to affect the upper value. So I have to be very careful. When I'm changing, I need probably to release this one. All right. And for example, this one I want to make 1500. So 1500, I put it and it changes. All right. So these are things you need to know, you need to pay attention to. Otherwise, if you're going to change anything with respect to the level, dimensions between levels, so this is going to affect all of those which are locked together. All right, so this is all about levels for the moment. Thank you.